All right, everybody out there, this is Richard Bomboy, or Automatics in Motion. dickbomboy69@gmail.com, doing a Watch Gang unboxing. Pretty sure this is my wheel spin for a wheel 2 spin. And if it is, I've been looking forward to this watch for quite some time. I already sort of opened it up, so we'll pull it right out. All right. Should be the Heritor, and it'd be my first Heritor. The Heritor Automatic. Not the biggest box, but it worries not. It's what is inside. Oof. Loving that color already. Did they leave me something? I got a Heritor, probably the warranty card. Yeah. Now let's look at this. This is definitely going into my collection, so let's take this off. Get the best look on it. Oof. It's already moving a little. And it is a pop-out crown. Got the 24-hour clock up there. And it looks like I am not on the 24. Nope, I would have been. All right. Well, it doesn't have a date anyway, so I didn't mind changing it between the 10 and the 2 o'clock. But that is super gorgeous. And the backside, clean, super clean. Plastic off. I always feel like I'm gonna scratch it. Come on. There we go. Shiny and clean. Oh man. Watch Gang, I'm wearing my Ish from Happy Hour. Loving it. I only opened one bottle with it because I'm not gonna break an expensive watch for a $3 bottle of beer. But I have to try on this Heritor while we're hands-free right now with my friend Brandon over at the Best Western over at the Comfort Inn in Plattsburgh, New York. Ooh, that bane feels so nice already.
It looks good.
Come on, come on. I know you're brand new. Get through. This is clearly not the bracelet I'm gonna wear, so this will be off in a moment. But to look at that, push that in, get that moving. Wind it up just a tiny bit, and I know we're supposed to take it off to wind it, but I only moved it a little. Keep it moving. Loving it. Thank you, Watch Gang, for this Heritor Automatic Antoine Umber colored. Loving it. Everything you guys do for us. Thank you very much, Watch Gang. Automatics in Motion kicking out. Thank you.